I'm Alexandria Strait, and welcome to Global Energy Show's 555 series. I'm here with Dale Hansen, Dean of the McPhail School of Energy here at SAIT, right here in Calgary. Welcome, Dale. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I'm really happy to be here.
So, Dale, tell us why SAIT chose to come in at the platinum level with Global Energy.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a really great experience for SAIT over the last couple of years, being a sponsor of the Global Energy Show. And, with DMG events giving us the opportunity to feature this next-gen theater in a way that really brings youth into the conversation around energy has been, I think, truly impactful on gaining more and more interest within, our target audience of youth and other people in exploring careers in the energy space. And so with our platinum sponsorship on the trade show floor, we actually are setting up a number of fully experiential, immersive opportunities for youth and other people to come in and have an experience of energy in a really meaningful way.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what the Next Gen Zone is?
Yeah, absolutely. And we're really proud of our, in partnership with DMG, how we've got this set up. With the Next Gen Zone on the trade show floor, we've got 1,000 square feet, of which about half of it is kind of like a theater space where we can have, both industry people and SAIT people give really cool presentations about what's happening in the world of energy and to talk about the types of careers that we've had throughout the years within this industry. And the other half of the zone is set up as an experiential space where, we bring in youth and do really cool things like they can ride a bicycle to generate electricity to extract hydrogen from water. They can have an experience of petroleum through our SAGD reservoir simulator and see some petroleum core. They have the opportunity to see a little bit of renewables alongside an automation display, and even to look at three-dimensional data analytics in a virtual reality type of environment.
What are they saying about the future, and how does SAIT take that insight and turn it into maybe it's the programming or the delivery models?
When we talk with young people about energy and try and convey the complexity of the challenge of moving to a lower carbon energy system, we always do that in the context of we do need to migrate towards a lower carbon energy system, but in a way that meets the ever increasing demand for energy worldwide and also considers, what drives our economy, which is reliable and affordable energy alongside that pillar of sustainability. And so some people do come into this with the idea of, why have we not simply transitioned away from hydrocarbon energy towards renewables, as an example? And so when we have these conversations, we try to convey the complexity of that situation. And it's interesting to note that in all of the work that we've done, it's not necessarily a sustainability mindset that have kept youth away from the energy industry. It's more so a lack of understanding of what careers in energy means.
So how do you kind of see the future of education and energy collaboration?
When I think of the solution to so many problems in this world is through collaboration. And so with our industry partners, we use the language of blurring the lines. Let's not think of, for example, the talent pipeline as discrete or separate systems. Let's think of, education and industry working together with education, formal education as one piece of that talent pipeline.
Is it fair to say then that there's the demand from young people is moving sometimes at a different pace than the need of the estate industry?
Absolutely right. I think that some young people may feel that things should be transitioning faster than they are. But when I think and when we talk about new energy technologies and the things that drive that. We think about the fact that there is the technology itself, which frankly is often not the biggest challenge. The bigger challenge is in the area of economics of those technologies and how government legislation supports those economics or does not support those economics.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here on Global Energy Show's 555 series. And I look forward to seeing you again in person June 10th, right here in Calgary.